everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel Style is Allowed, wherein you get to see a lot of beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos. Now I know guys, whatever you are starting out with makeup, the first thing which comes to our mind is it should be simple and easy. The second, it should be like not taking more than 5 minutes. At the same time, it should be readily available, as well as it should be affordable products, because when you're starting out, I understand you don't want to shell all of your money into buying those luxurious products. In this video I'm going to share with you these 5 products which are really very easily accessible and they are affordable at the same time. They are the 5 must-have beauty essentials, or the 5 must-have beauty products that you should own, and especially if you're a beginner, these are the 5 products which you can start with. Now I know guys, so many of you skip using the primer, but I think primers are the most important step in the complete beauty routine. Now I know I was one of them who was not using the primer, but the moment I understood what is the importance of using a primer in the face, so that was the time when I started included primer into my beauty. So the primer which I'm going to suggest is very simple, which is easily available. It is the Nivea aftershave balm. How you can use this primer is just take a little bit pea-size amount and dab it to your skin. Now after priming your face, the next step is the foundation. Now I personally am not a BB cream or CC cream or any kind of tinted moisturizer kind of person. What I feel is investing in a good foundation, because when you invest in a foundation, that can be worked out to make a BB cream. So what I actually do is, when I want to go for a very light kind of coverage, I apply this foundation, best foundation which I am using right now, and that is to the best, is the Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. Now one thing I would tell you guys about this is, this used to come in a bottle. I don't know whether the bottle form is available right now, because 2 days back I went to restock my Maybelline's foundation, but the girls there told me that the bottle form is no more available, and this is the new form of Maybelline foundation which has come. Also along with that, the Revlon foundation, even that is coming to a very affordable price. So this is by far the Maybelline's Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. So this is the best. You can definitely invest in this. Now after you have finished priming your face, you can go for a foundation. Now applying the foundation, that's completely on your call as to what kind of coverage do you want. I specifically, if I want to go for light coverage, I mix the foundation with the moisturizer and apply it. If I don't want to go for another step, that is concealing, I just highlight it on the points where I want a certain kind of upliftment, and then I use a damp beauty blender to just mix it into my face and get absorbed. And then I'm using this Stay Matte Rimmel powder to just set my concealer or set my foundation and to keep it in place. Now after we finish foundation, one palette I would like to introduce which has recently become among my favorite list, and that is this Love Contour Alls palette. Now exactly, if you've been watching my channel for a while, then you must know that how much I love this palette. Now the shades in this palette are so beautiful. There are 2 contour shades, 2 highlighting shades, 2 eyebrow shades, and 6 different eyeshadows, which is really worth it. You get so many stuffs, and it retails for around 1200 to 1300. Now I know that must be a little bit expensive for you if you're just starting out makeup, but then you get so many different shades, and you don't need to buy different palettes for that. You just buy one and that's it. So I highly recommend you getting this palette because all the shades are so beautiful, and it has absolutely become my favorite. Now I'm using this angular brush to shape my eyebrows. So I'm taking the brown shade from the same palette, and that's such a beautiful shade, and just apply it on my eyebrows, shape it, Now for a simple everyday kind of look, what exactly you can do is you can take those two brown colors from the same palette and just pop it on the eyelids just to make your look put together. Also, I'm using the golden shade from the palette and using it as an inner highlight, just making your eyes a little bit more open. And I'm using that golden shade, the same golden shade as a highlighter. It's such a gorgeous golden shade. I love that highlighter. You can see how much my skin, see the glow it gives to my skin. Just the right amount of highlight. That's so beautiful. Also, I'm using the same golden highlighting shade and popping it up on the arch of my eyebrows. That just gives an uplifted kind of look. Now here I'm using this Maybelline's Push Up Drama Mascara, and I'm just applying it on my upper lashes as well as lower lashes. This is by far my favorite mascara, and you can totally invest in this one. It is such a beautiful one. After everything is done on your face, the next step comes is applying lipstick. Now I won't be like suggesting any particular lipstick color or like lipsticks, but I think you should have a nude lip liner. Here I'm using my favorite Sephora lipstain, and I'm just completing my look by applying lipstick. After the lipsticks, I think the most important fifth beauty product in the beauty routine should be a makeup remover. Now it becomes really very important, and like though you apply makeup, it's never going to harm you, but it's very important to remove the makeup from your skin from your face. That is really very important. So for removing my makeup, I'm going to share with you my favorite makeup remover. This is the Garniers Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water in Oil. Now this you can start it you can use the pink bottle also, that is a normal micellar water, but this is the oil infused micellar water. If you're using a water based product, or if you're using waterproof products, so this is the micellar water, which is the best, and I'm using it since years now. This is my third refill of the bottle, and I love it so much. I always make sure that I remove my makeup before going to sleep. So these are the 5 basic products which you can start with, or if you are a newbie in makeup, you can definitely invest in these 5 basic products. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope this video found you helpful. If you like this video, do share it with your friends, comment below and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to push that notification bell down below next to the subscribe button, so that you will be getting notified every single time I come up with a new video, and I will meet you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.